How to bold text in LinkedIn Summary. Start by opening the LinkedIn application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Go to your profile from here. Now, scroll down and tap on Add a Summary as shown. You can now add a summary for your LinkedIn profile over here. For example, you can write about your years of experience, industry, or skills. After typing the summary, select the text and copy it. Now, go back and open up Safari on your phone. You can also use other browsers if you want. Here, search for Bold Text Generator and open the first option from the results. Paste the text you just copied in the first text box. As you can see, the font of the text has changed to different bold styles in the second box. Select a font style from here and copy it. After that, go back to the previous LinkedIn page and paste the text in the summary box. Then, tap on Save below. Following these steps, you can easily bold text in LinkedIn Summary.